Alright then, so now we have a couple of different page components set up, and in this lesson I want to talk about how we can nest other Livewire components within these page components. So we're nesting Livewire components in other Livewire components, alright? So currently inside the book list page view, we've got a header for the page as well as a list of books. Now personally, I think this header section should probably be in its own component because it's not really related so much to the actual book list. And it's a component which could conceivably be reused on other pages as well. So what I'd like to do then is extract this little bit of template and functionality into its own Livewire component, which we can then drop into this page and other pages as well if we wanted to. So let's do that. Let's make a new Livewire component which contains this template and any logic within the component class. So then first of all, let's make that new component. So I'm going to come to the terminal and I will type PHP artisan and then make Livewire and then the name of this new component, and I'm going to call this page hyphen header and press enter. So that generates us these two files again, the page header class and also the view. So let us grab all of this template from the book list, and I'm going to go to the new component template, which is this page header file, and I'm just going to paste it in right here. So the template itself just stays the same, right? Now we have this functionality where we have a name property that gets output in the H2, and also this model which is hooked up to a name property in the class. Now currently that's defined inside the book list, right? We have this public name property, but now we need to add that to the new class that was generated for this component. So let's grab it from here and then just get rid of this space. Then we'll open up the page header class and I'm going to paste it inside this class up here. So that's all we need to do. There is no other logic because if we take a look at this, we have this model, right? And every time we type into this input field, after half a second, it sends a request to the server to update this property right here. So then when the property updates, it re-renders the component. And therefore we see the new name, right? So now all we need to do is we need to nest this component inside the book list component. So let's do that. Remember, we've done this before. When we first started this series, we said to nest a component, we can say Livewire inside a tag and then a colon and then the component name, which is page hyphen header, like so. So now if we save this, it should work. But just before we try this, I have noticed a little typo right here. We've got an extra I when we don't need one. I'm going to save that now, and hopefully now this will work. All right, and in the browser, we can still see this header right here. So it's still working in such that we're seeing the template. But now let's see if the functionality works. I'm going to change this to Luigi. And yeah, this works as well. Awesome. So now we've grabbed all of that template from the header. We've put it into its own component and also all the logic into the component class as well, and we've kind of sealed that up into its own little component that we can drop into other page components wherever we want. So I could put it into this page if I wanted to as well. I'm not going to, but we've made it more reusable in such that we can do if we want to.